Returning to the Coin Series channel brings us joy. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our Coin Series. Who came to our channel Coin Series? You will always be info with the latest Coin Series news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. It is said that doing something again and over again in the hopes of a different outcome is a kind of lunacy. I keep thinking Gary Gensler will win this case, because he just continues trying the same thing in court. In court, he continues to lose. In my opinion, as chair of the SEC, U.S. Senator Gary Gensler has become someone who can't be trusted politically. Mixed up expressions, to paraphrase what Brad Garlinghouse said, doing well? Welcome to the channel. Let's talk XRP now. In addition, I need you to pay close attention to 3 key points right now. With XRP dropping as low as 54 cents in the last day, the market is clearly quite volatile. So, what's causing this to occur? For now, I'm still very bullish on XRP. Furthermore, I anticipate other advantages in the near future. We cover a lot of ground in this video, including major XRPL news as well as tons of other topics. How does the IPO dilemma appear as well? Be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all the happenings with XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Alright, let's talk about XRP and get to the point. Not to mention that I've talked about this for a long time. Never forget that in January 2020, there will be the highest volume for XRP ever, with LTC being about 650 billion XRP. All the financial institutions will use this as the basis for the XRP coin. A lot of people have been talking about getting out of escrow recently, so it's a big deal to go through the ledger, which reveals what's to come. Then, how does that materialize precisely? I believe it's critical that they've been taking these measures to guarantee a robust XRP architecture and the ease, security, and low cost of transferring huge amounts of money and tokens. We were right when we said that XRPL's significance in the XRP ecosystem has recently grown. What started when Ripple CTO David Schwartz presented the XRP ledger to Franklin Templeton is related to an interesting piece of news that came out not long ago. In light of the increasing interest in cryptocurrencies, Schwartz highlighted the asset's efficiency and potential. Sorry for the disruption, but Ripple is supposedly in talks with an asset management firm worth $1.7 trillion. When you consider that conventional banks are showing an increasing interest in cryptocurrency, this is great news. Short sellers speculated that Franklin Timberlands might also think about XRP in reaction to their post about their interest in Ethereum and Solana. Finally, it mentions that in response to Schwartz's mention of XRP, PL's stellar performance, processing millions of transactions for over a decade, Franklin Templeton tweeted about looking at alternative blockchain networks, like the XRP ledger. Would this be able to go anywhere? I made that statement first, and the graph we saw confirms that. Integration with a firm like Franklin Templeton, wherein not all of their endeavors are directed towards acquiring access to big financial institutions and asset management banks, would, I think, be universally acknowledged as a positive step for XRP. Particularly when you think about how important their work is, the relationships they're proud to have built, and the work itself. I can't stress enough how great it is as an XRP teammate. We need to talk about something that hasn't been covered much on this channel. IPO Ripple is considering expanding into international markets. As a scathing attack on the SEC, they are contemplating going public. Of course, they are still fighting that long war, and we are aware of it. However, we are also aware that they are proceeding cautiously on this front. The SEC's approval of Ripple's S1 paperwork is fantastic news, but Garlinghouse is still nervous about the US IPO process and the income picture's unpredictability. They were successful, but we shall see what happens in the SEC Coinbase case when it ends. What does that imply for XRP holders, though, in the end? A potential Ripple IPO might significantly affect XRP's value. Most importantly, it would bring Ripple more attention from investors, analysts, and the media through an initial public offering, IPO, which would be great for the company's profile and the people looking to invest or utilize it. XRP is really intriguing. Another reason why I think obligatory compliance should be a part of the IPO process is that it might lead to the mainstream adoption of XRP and Ripples in financial institutions. Just so we're clear, KryptonMe is a channel sponsor for this particular video. Just wanted to let you know that. Their brief statement should so be heard. KryptonMe, today's sponsor, has my deepest appreciation. We did a quick overview of this on the channel before, but now I want to show you how much their platform is investing in new digital assets. Lastly, cryptocurrency wallets and initial coin offerings, ICOs, for crypto projects. Their program, which we shall analyze soon, is quite unexpected and promises investors returns of up to 100 times each annum. There is a lot going on right now. My account will be accessed promptly so that we can investigate the matter. Just so you know, my total balance is a little under $3,000. We provide a diverse range of loans, including both fixed and flexible ones, and there are many sites where you may invest in cryptocurrencies and earn annual percentage rates, APRs, on your investments. Regarding profit sharing and all other matters, I share your sentiments. Now that we know my Ethereum set point, as I indicated earlier, we can analyze it. Just to reiterate, if I want to enter the maximum amount, I can easily do so by coming over here. My potential annual percentage rate, APR, and minimum deposit amount will be displayed to me again. After that, click Continue. We will track its progress over the next week or so to ascertain its actual performance, and now that I am ready to deposit it, the confirmation has arrived. You can start earning an annual percentage rate, APR, right away after adding any cryptocurrency of your choice to your account. You may access some of the newest projects before anybody else in their launch pool, which is a wonderful innovation. You can also earn up to 153% APY using their fixed platforms. Earnings distribution is another perk. $60.6.7 million have been raised through 163 events on their site. The ability to make fee-free payments and transfers throughout their platform is what makes their interest account integration with the wallet so tempting. Right there, you can see a portion of my wallet containing 1800 XRP, as well as the Ethereum that we have just staked. In addition to the loans I indicated earlier, they also offer a fee-free exchange rate for converting fiat money or Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies. Thus, a fantastic chance to join initiatives ahead of the curve and a first-rate all-in-one platform that allows you to make the most of your money. KryptonMe's dedication to social networking is another one of their great qualities. To read this at your own pace, you can use any of the links given in the description. Still, we noticed that they recently ended their giveaway, and we noticed that fish bloggers like DCR Crypto Dean Unbelieve and others gave out Bitcoin and Solana to some of their followers and accounts. We are all aware that the cryptocurrency bull run is approaching, therefore it's fantastic to see KryptonMe reaching out and providing individuals who invested on their platform another chance to win cryptocurrency. One more great thing about cryptography is that it lets you get your Bitcoin out of the platform, which is something I already highlighted. Clicking a button and following the on-screen instructions is all it takes to make a withdrawal utilizing the platform's user-friendly design. Furthermore, the recipient address doesn't have to be a specific wallet address, it can be any address you have. It should be noted that there are restrictions on some withdrawals. The value of our 24-hour account withdrawals, $1 million, is clearly visible once again. You should take advantage of this opportunity to sell all of your Bitcoin holdings and maximize your potential. Krypton is a great tool that allows you to see a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and keep track of their current state. We have included links to it in the description for your convenience. Explore Casper, DAG, Nexa, and countless more to see how you can put your cryptocurrency to work for you. Additionally, I would want to express my sincere appreciation to Crypto Economy for their assistance as a channel sponsor this week, as I indicated earlier. With that out of the way, let's get back to the main video. So, we know that an IPO would be a huge deal in the end. The SEC's clearance of Coinbase's initial public offering has landed the company in the middle of a legal dispute. As far as Ripple is concerned, this is great news for XRP and the entire network. We are well aware of the fact that those ETFs failed miserably. When we look at them on the price index, most of them look like this. No one seems to have noticed that the VanEck Futures ETF is likewise about to go out of business. Trading has ceased. Even while it's not perfect, the market as a whole is looking good. Sorry, but I am feeling really down right now. In terms of XRP, how does it work? This large drop below the 200-day moving average is something I've already mentioned. At the moment, 55 cents is XRP's bottom support level. Overall, the cryptocurrency market can have a rough few days as it searches for the point of correction. This is because many investors are still considering purchasing XRP, even though the initial excitement surrounding exchange-traded funds (ETFs) has subsided. This has been covered in a couple of our videos. We know that the Franklin Templeton team has argued about that XRP ETF, so it must have been talked about. Prices aren't where you'd like them to be, but everything else is occurring. Nonetheless, I would appreciate it if you could let me know in the comments area whether you still support XRP. Just hit the subscribe button if you loved it and can't get enough. As for now, farewell.